wall. Right against this fucking wall on the left side.
Bro, my gun didn't shoot when I first peeked. It didn't shoot when I first peeked.
Oh.
God.
You alright, dude?
God damn, bro. Yo.
I mean, hit.
I'm dead, bro. That shit was wild.
You alright, dude? Not great. You okay, bro?
Yeah. Burn my stomach. Ah.
That shit burning, bro. Take it off.
You're fine, you're fine.
Oh, that shit hurts.
Come on, stand up, you're alright. Hold on. He's alright. You're alright.